Hello, today we'll speak about narrowing reference conversion and disjoint types with Carrefour shops, explained with Carrefour shops. In Java, narrowing reference conversion is used in typecast when you're converting from a broader type to a more specific one, even if there is no direct inheritance relationship between the types. This allows more flexibility, but also brings some risk at runtime, so the compiler applies smart checks, especially with sealed class and final classes to avoid impossible cast. Let's understand this using a term inspired by Carrefour store types. Imagine Carrefour runs various specialized store formats, Carrefour City, Carrefour Market, Carrefour Drive, etc. First, valid cast. Subtypes are compatible. Here's the code for this valid cast. You have a public interface Carrefour Shop, then you have a public class Carrefour Market which implements Carrefour Shop, and then you have a public void check method which takes as argument a Carrefour Market market argument, and then inside the body of this method you have a Carrefour Shop name shop which cast a market with Carrefour Shop class, and this is a valid cast, casting market Carrefour Market with the class Carrefour Shop. This works fine because Carrefour Market is a subtype of Carrefour Shop, so the cast is straightforward. Then, cast between unrelated types, technically allowed but risky. Imagine the public interface Carrefour Shop, then the public class Carrefour Express, which are unrelated, none of them inherit from the other, and you have the method public void check, which takes a Carrefour Express argument named Express, and then you have inside the body Carrefour Shop shop equal casting Carrefour Shop, and then the variable Express. This is allowed but risky. Even though Carrefour Express doesn't implement Carrefour Shop, the compiler allows this cast because in theory someone could later write class hybrid store extends Carrefour Express which implements Carrefour Shop. So at runtime, it must succeed if the object is actually of type hybrid store. Then, invalid cast, disjoint types with final. So you have as code this one, public interface Carrefour Shop as usual, then a public final class Carrefour Banking app, and then you have the method public check, which take as argument Carrefour Banking app, name banking app, and in the body you have Carrefour Shop equal with the cast Carrefour Shop and the cast applying on banking app argument. And this is a compiler error. This cast will never work. Carrefour Banking app is final, so it can't be extended since it doesn't implement Carrefour Shop and can't ever do so. The compiler knows the types are disjoint and blocks the cast. And finally, C class helps the compiler decide. If you have a public sealed interface retail entity which permits Carrefour Shop, then a public non-sealed interface Carrefour Shop that extends retail entity, and then you have a public final class Carrefour Banking app and a public class Carrefour Online. You have as example the method public void check which takes a retail entity name entity argument, and then you have two lines. The first is Carrefour Banking app with the name banking app equal casting Carrefour Banking app on the entity, which is invalid, and then you have Carrefour Online, the name of the variable, which is casted, which casts the entity with the type Carrefour Online, and this is allowed. Here, what's happened? Retail entity is a sealed interface, you know, just here, and only Carrefour Shop can extend it because it permits Carrefour Shop. And then you have Carrefour Shop which extends retail entity. Carrefour Banking app is a final class that cannot be extended to fit into the hierarchy of retail entity. So you have here Carrefour Banking app, which is final, and so it can't fit in the hierarchy of retail entity. The cast to Carrefour Banking app is statically rejected. This is statically rejected, but Carrefour Online is not final. It's possible, at least theoretically, that someone could define something like class Carrefour Online extends some shop implements Carrefour Shop. So you see, this could be possible. So the cast is allowed. And in summary, this table with the cast type, is it allowed and why? Subtype to supertype, for example, market to shop, it is allowed because there is a direct inheritance. Unrelated non-final express to shop, yes, but it requires a runtime check. Unrelated with final banking app towards shop, no, because types are disjoint. Seal hierarchy plus final type, no, compiler can prove it's impossible. Seal hierarchy plus non-final type, yes, because it might be a subtype. Using sealed classes and final widely helps the compiler prevent you from making dangerous casts and ensure more reliable type-safe code even in a supermarket chain. Thank you very much and maybe see you in another video. Bye!